I'm going to do something a little bit different with you this morning. Going to play with my restoration album, which is Medwin Goodall's music with the healing sounds that come through me to do like a cleansing and a healing. So this is going to be quite a different one. Don't think we've ever done this before. Morning Claire, morning Fiona. Feeling inspired to use the restoration album, which is sounds, vibratory sounds, frequencies moving through the body to heal. And we should have time for, all being well, 2 or 3 of these different ones. So get yourselves comfortable. You could be sitting or lying down for this, whichever you prefer. And I'm just going to see which one we are going to use. Oh, yes. We'll start, I'd like to do 3 with you, hopefully this time. We'll start with restoration. That's restoring, the intent behind that is to restore all the settings within your biological system back to their default settings. Things like digestion, spine, heart, lungs, skin. Then we'll do pilgrimage, which is assisting you on that inward journey, and I'll let you know as we transition the music. And then we go into destiny, you connecting with your destiny and your core essence that you need to bring through your destiny. And it's a little while since I made this album. I'm just looking, it's 5 years. 5 years since I was in the recording studio. And we've not used it yet, so time to use it. Alright, so close your eyes. Allowing the sounds to pass through you. Restoring each organ, each cell to its default setting, its pristine setting, its feeling of new, refreshed, healed. Our intent with this first stage of this meditation is to restore. Bringing your awareness to the heart. Letting go of past hurts. Letting go of any ways you are protecting or shielding your heart because of past hurts. Still leaving in place any protection that needs to be there, but releasing any layers of protection that have built up through past experience. Taking your awareness into childhood memories, situations that were painful, uncomfortable or unpleasant. allowing yourself to revisit the emotions that were evoked within you so that they can be brought to the surface of your energy field, released. Getting ready for the next wave of healing sounds, ready to release any childhood hurts. You do not have to hold on to past hurt. We can hold on to the lesson, but we don't need to hold on to the emotional response within us. Taking awareness now to relationships with mother, father, grandparents, caregivers, bringing into our awareness any negative energies that arose within us because of those interactions. Allowing them to come to the surface of our mind and to the surface of our emotional body. Getting ready for the next wave of sound healing. Ready to expose these sensations to the light. Letting your awareness move to adolescence. Any painful memories, embarrassment, shame, blame, guilt, awkwardness, frustration that you felt as a teenager. Allowing yourself to find these trapped energies within you. Allowing them to come to the fore both mentally and emotionally, so that when the next wave of healing comes, they can be dispersed, transformed, released. It's your responsibility to clear any residual emotions. If you don't, they get stuck inside you, causing ill health, discomfort, pain, and sometimes cause patterns to repeat, especially emotionally. Allow yourself to find the trapped energy that you most need to release at this point in time. Let that energy come into your awareness. As you feel it, it rises more to the surface of your awareness, ready for the next healing sound. As the cells open to receive the healing vibration, they let go of what it was they were holding on to. Bring your awareness now to any physical conditions that you have. Might be discomfort, tightness or pain in a particular part of the body, or even disease. Take your awareness to that part of the body, and as the healing sounds come through, allow those energies to disperse. Know that this is your time. Time for you. And by using your consciousness consciously, you can release whatever it is you need to release. You can break any old patterns that are not serving you. Allow yourself to find within you now a pattern that's destructive or negative, one that you've wished to break. Feel your feelings within you about that pattern and allow the next wave of sound to release it. Your intention to release yourself from that pattern, and so it is. Allowing your whole body to relax more deeply now, having done that deep and powerful work, getting ready for the next stage in today's meditation, which is pilgrimage. It's an inner journey, going inwards, inwards, inwards to your divine self. Again, there's a sound that will help you move ever inwards, releasing any blocks that stand in the way between you and your true self, your true nature, your divine self. Pilgrimage. Pilgrimage to the divine. Using the sound to help you go deeper. Your soul is calling you. It's a call to come home. A sacred journey inwards. Reuniting your wakeful consciousness with the core of your being, the inner recesses of your soul. going more deeply within you than ever before, attracting yourself to your own core, your own divine essence. To really feel that deep connection with your soul essence. Keep your focus on it as we move into the third stage of our meditation today. Turned inwards, connecting with your soul. And from soul, moving into destiny. Starting to bring through all that you are through onto the physical level. Life as it is meant to be lived is a sacred outpouring of action. From the deepest recesses of the soul, having touched who you are at your core, having felt that fully, bringing it through into physical. Letting this light, this essence, this goodness that you are at the core shine through any blocks or barriers that the ego has created that are holding you back. Letting this light that you are shine through the shadow self. Bringing through more of you, bringing through more light, more love, more authenticity, more sincerity, more creativity, more enthusiasm, more joy, more positivity, more clarity, more assuredness, more truth, more wonder, more love. Standing in your power, being in complete and true alignment with your truth, connected to the divine, a part of the divine, and experiencing the divine as a part of you, no longer separated, no longer falling for the illusion of separateness, knowing yourself as one, not only with the divine, but with all life, with all others. One with the oceans, with the rivers and the streams, one with the water, the rain that falls from the skies, the water we drink and that passes out of our bodies, one with the stars, the planets, the sun, the moon, one with space, one with the earth. One with all of this, able to tune into all of this, able to interact with all of this, all your interactions, all your knowledge being fed back to the divine, and the divine again expressing through you, integrating experience, knowledge, learning, so that expression here becomes more divine. Grateful for your part in this grand design. accepting your destiny. Ready to be the best version of you possibly can be. Knowing that this will not only serve you, but serve all your loved ones, all your family members, the greater humanity, creation as a whole. Understanding the importance of incarnating at this point in time as a human being with the faculties you have, with the life experiences, wisdom, open heart that you have. Ready to embrace your destiny, your next step. Ready to draw on all your qualities that you've developed through this lifetime and that you were born with, putting it all to good use in service of the whole. This is your time. Okay, notice the tingling in the body, notice the activation that's taken place. Notice how you feel, how much clearer, how much more aligned, how much more in tune with what's truly important, what you're really here to do. Let's give our toes and our fingers a little wiggle as we bring our awareness back into physical 3D horizontal life. Heartfelt thanks to Medwin Goodall for creating that wonderful music with the sounds I felt inspired to make at the time. And heartfelt thanks for each and every one of us that are on this live call and watching on replay. Because together we've committed to this, we've committed to daily awareness, meditating each day so that we can progress spiritually, so that we can release old energies that are no longer serving us, that are affecting us unconsciously and subconsciously, and that we can embrace who we truly are and bring more of who we truly are, fearless, loving, open, wise, into this reality to assist everyone at this time. When you're ready, you can open your eyes, see the space as well as the things that will help you be in a good space. I do have to dash very, very soon because that was a bit longer session and I was late starting because my computer needed to do a download, bad timing. How was that for you? Would you like to do more work with that album? Let me know. We could do a whole week working with the 6 different tracks on there. Restoration, pilgrimage, love, destiny, forgiveness, 5 tracks by the looks of things. We can use them in different ways. Cool. So do write down in the chat how you found that was for you, what benefits you got. If you'd like to use that again, let me know. I'm flying over now onto radical self-responsibility. So have a beautiful day. Bring through more of you into the world. All right. And the album, if you want it, it's an mp3 and it's on my website, $14.99, bargain. All right. Bye guys.